Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019 paper. As we know that joint entrance examination for M.Sc is one of the most important examination in India for those students who want to join IITs for pursuing their master degree courses. So this is the question number 32, that means from section B, and this is a MSQ type questions. Hence, among these four given options, one or more than one options can be correct. So let's see what is in this question. We are given a set U which is 1 to 15. Now P be a subset of U consists of all prime numbers, Q be a subset of U consists of all even numbers, R be a subset of U consists of all multiples of 3, and T is equals to P minus Q, that means P intersection Q complement. Then which of the following is or are correct? So let's start the solution. So first of all, as P be the set, P be the subset of U of all primes, therefore P consists or P contains 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Nextly, Q be the subset of U and it contains all even numbers. Okay. Therefore, Q has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And lastly, R consists all multiple of 3. Okay. Therefore, R has 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. T is equals to P minus Q, that means P intersection Q complement. So here we have those elements which are in P but not in Q. So they are 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Now modulus of T is equals to number of elements in T, number of unique elements in T, therefore it is equals to 5. Now T union R is equals to 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, and 15, and T intersection R is only 3. Therefore, the modulus of T union R is equals to 9 and the modulus of T intersection R is equals to 1. Okay, therefore the right answers of these questions are A and C. That is, modulus of T is equals to 5, modulus of T union R is equals to 9, and modulus of T intersection R is equals to 1. So we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.